Nanindigan si AFP Chief of Staff General Romeo Browner Jr. na hindi pa rin ito hihingin ang tulong ng militar ng Estados Unidos na garantisado sa ilalim ng Mutual Defense Treaty ng dalawang bansa. Kahit na yan sa kabila ng patuloy na pagiging agresibo at ng pangangamkam ng China sa West Philippine Sea. Ipinaliwanag na opisyal sa media kahapon August 29 na dumalo sa Philippine Military Academy. Ang aktibidad ay dinaluhan ng commander ng US Indo-Pacific Command, Admiral Samuel Paparo, kasama si AFP Chief of Staff General Romeo S. Browner Jr. ng Philippine Army para sa Mutual Defense Board Security Engagement Board. Dito pag-uusapan ang mga pulisiyang may kaugnayan sa security issues and concern at security defense. Ayon pa kay Browner, kaya ng Pilipinas na resolbahin ang sigalot sa kabila ng lumalalang tensyon sa West Philippine Sea.
We are going to do the mission unilaterally. We will depend on ourselves first, and we will try to exhaust all the options first before asking help. After, if we exhaust all of the options and if nothing works, then that's the time we can ask for help. No? Ang gusto natin sabihin is, habang kaya natin, gagawin natin.
Matatanda na isang sundalo ang naputulan ng daliri, binomba ng tubig at tinutukan ng patalim, ilan lamang ito sa mga naranasang panghaharas ng bansang China.
We still have a lot of options. Just if you look at the recent mission of the Coast Guard, for instance, when they were trying to bring supplies to the BRP Teresa Magbanwa in Escoda Shoal, they were blocked several times. They attempted more than once. But then finally they brought supplies using their helicopter. So that's one way of us exhausting all the options that are available.
At nang tanungin kung kailan nga ba masasabi ng Pilipinas na kailangan na nito ng tulong ng ibang bansa upang tugunan ang pang-aabuso ng China,
when our troops are already hungry, they don't have any supplies anymore because our resupply missions have been blocked and that they are on the verge of dying, then that's the time we're going to seek the help of the United States.
Grace Doctolero, humahataw sa balita ngayon.